My greenhouse is 11 years old, and it originally came with this polycarbonate roof panels, but now they're starting to show their age, so I'm going to replace them. And I ordered some new panels from our friends at Charlie's Greenhouse Supply outside of Seattle. The original was a bronze color, which kind of limits the amount of sunshine, so I've chosen to replace them with clear. There's also an opaque white version too you can get. As you can see, it's double-walled, twin-wall polycarbonate. I had thought of getting tempered glass like I've done with the side panels, but I don't believe this kit was engineered for that much weight. So I think polycarbonate will be just fine. Wish me luck. Well, okay. My new roof panel showed up by UPS from our friends at Charlie's Greenhouse Supply outside of Seattle. It's Lexan Thermo-Clear sheets. One side has to be up to the sun as UV protected. Wow, looks like I could stand on it if I wanted. And guaranteed for 10 years. Limited warranty. Country of origin, Canada. Canada. Okay, well, see how this works. I got some, I don't know if it'll be easy or not. Stay with me. Well, I figured out a way to do silicone in more than one at a time. Also had to trim the sheets a little bit. So let's see what happens. Okay, here's my first panel. And I put on the bottom, this is a breathable tape. Lets moisture out, keeps bugs from crawling in. And then on the top, I had to put in silicone. It's pretty easy to see if you missed it or any of the holes. So now let's see if it fits in place. So the silicone will be up on the top and the breathable tape is on the bottom. Okay, I'm going to fold it over for the bottom edge. As you can see, the polycarbonate comes with a plastic protective sheet on both sides that you have to take off. Wow, what a difference. The clear panel compared to these bronze. I'm going to get a lot more heat and sunlight in here. That's great. Can't wait till I replace them all. Okay, I have 3 panels left. Let me show you how this goes. Up, the UV side has to point up to the sun to be protective. Slides into the grooves. And watch this just slide right in, and then a tap of the hammer will put it up into the top groove firmly. And then I put the trim on temporarily with tape, and it screws and has nuts on the inside. Look at, there's half done. Here's the entire finished product. And the inside, how sunny and clear it's gonna be. Oh boy.